Microsoft just gave Windows 11 insiders a sneak peek into the future, and gamers, multitaskers, and emoji lovers all have something to celebrate. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of tech and gaming news. Rolling out as Dev Channel Build, the new update, launched on September 12th, adds a surprising level of control and intelligence across the board. One standout addition, Xbox controllers are getting a brain boost. Until now, pressing the Xbox button on your controller brought up the game bar, but with this build, long pressing the Xbox button now opens a custom task view, allowing users to switch between open apps without ever touching the keyboard. With rumors swirling about Microsoft's upcoming Xbox handheld PCs, this is clearly a step towards making Windows more controller-friendly, making it ideal for gaming on the go. So that's just the beginning. The Copilot and PCs are also getting an upgrade too, with a smarter click-to-do menu. It now shows top actions and trending action tags that let users quickly access AI-powered tasks, making productivity smoother and more interesting than ever. Bonus? You can now activate Copilot hands-free by saying, "Hey Copilot," and yes, there are new emojis, because what's a modern OS update without some fresh digital expressions? The latest ones include everything from a face with eye bags to a purple splatter and a leafless tree. Accessibility is also getting a boost. The Narrator app now reads more naturally, navigates footnotes better, and handles continuous reading more smoothly. Even the little things like smoother animations when hiding the taskbar got some love. All in all, Windows 11 is shaping up to be smarter, friendlier, and more fun. And this insider build proves it. Does this update excite you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.